Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to create sales order in Tally Prime Release 2.0. Regarding this today we will discuss. Okay friends? So before going to practical, we need to discuss what is sales order, components of sales order, and sales order procedures and process. So regarding this today we will discuss. Okay, so for your reference, go for these notes. What is sales order? A sales order is document generated by the seller specifying the details about the product or services ordered by the customer. Along with the product and service details, sales order consists of price, quantity, terms and conditions, etc. This is called sales order. Next, component of sales order. A sale order usually carries information such as customer's name, shipping address, transaction date, products ordered, descriptions, units of measures, quantities, prices, taxes, etc. The key details of the sales order are listed below. First one, name and contact information of the company, that is seller details. Name and contact information of the customer, that is buyer details. Customer billing information, customer shipping information, information about product or service, price before taxes, tax, delivery and shipping charges, total price after taxes, terms and conditions, signature, any other relevant information as needed. Okay, so these are the components of sales order. So next, sales order process and procedures. The step-by-step sales order process is explained below. The buyer sends a request for quote from a vendor. After receiving the request, the vendor sends back the quote. The customer considers the quote reasonable and sends a purchase order. So then only customer will send the purchase order. So once they are satisfied their price and description, then they will send the purchase order. The vendor receives the purchase order and generate a sales order using the details of PO. The vendor sends the sales order to the customer to confirm the terms of the sale. The vendor assembles and prepares for delivery of goods and services requested. The vendor delivers those goods or services as per the order. Using the details of the sales order, the vendor generates the invoice and sends it to the customer. The customer pays the amount specified on the invoice within the allotted time frame. Okay, so these are the sales order, components of sales order and sales order procedures and process. Okay, so now we move to Tally. Friends, I have already created one company and I have already created ledger accounts and stock items because you people are well known how to create the company and ledgers. Okay, now we move to enable the sales order voucher and delivery note voucher. Friends, whenever we going to make or enter purchase order or sales order, we need to enable purchase order voucher, receipt note voucher and sales order voucher and delivery note voucher. So we need to enable this. Okay, so go to the vouchers. See here, press Ctrl F10 or click on other vouchers. So here you will get list of voucher types window. So here you have to select show inactive. So here whatever we needed, that is here only. See here, delivery note. So this is one way to enable delivery note and sales order. And one more way is there, I will show. So I will show first this way. So delivery note, this is hidden, press enter, press one more enter. Okay, so delivery note voucher is enabled. And another way, escape, go to gateway of Tally, select alter, select voucher types, press enter, select sales order. So here delivery note voucher also here, but I have already shown in another way. So it is already enabled, no need to enable here itself. So next select sales order. So press sales order, press enter, enter, select activate this voucher type, set to yes. Method of voucher numbering, select manual, because manually we entered sales order number in sales order voucher. That's why we need to select manual option in the methods of voucher numbering option. Accept. Okay. So now we enabled both delivery note and sales order. So first we move to create sales order voucher. Select voucher, press enter. So click on other voucher, select sales order or press Ctrl F8. So this is one way. And another way, press Ctrl F8. This is sales order. Now give the sales order number. So sales order number SO 2055 10 16 10 2021. So this is the sales order number. Okay. So party account name. So party here AR Electronics. So enter the order details. Mode or terms of payment 30 days after delivery. 30 days. Other reference nil. Terms of delivery roadways. There are three ways: airways, roadways, and by trainways. Okay, you can specify whichever. Dispatch through lorry. Destination Bangalore. Carrier name or agent name. So VRL Logistics. VRL Logistics. Bill of lading LR, lorry receipt number. Type lorry receipt number. So date 1st April. Motor vehicle number KA 05 J4. Enter. Sales ledger, sales at 18%. Okay. So now select the items. LG 35 inches LED TV. Friends, due on. You just assume, so 1 month due for this sales order. So type 30 days. So quantity 100 numbers. So rate 30,000. So next one, MI 50 inches LED TV, 30 days, due on 30 days, 100 numbers, 45,000. Next, Samsung, 30 days, 100 numbers, 52,000. So select CGST, select SGST and accept. Friends, this sales order we can converted into quotation. So how it will convert? See here. Press page up, Control P, printing option, configure, come down, see here, subtitle if any, title. Here you can change the title quotation. Preview. Check it in preview. Alt Z for zoom. See here, quotation. By default it is showing sales order. Okay. Suppose you are issuing quotation, you can change into quotation instead of sales order. Okay. So in this way you have to change sales order into quotation. Okay. So now go to the configure, you change it sales order. You change it as sales order. Okay friend, you got it how to change into sales order to quotation. Okay. Now check the report, profit and loss account. Nothing effect because this is only a order, not invoicing. That's why it's not affected in anywhere. Check it in balance sheet. Nothing effect. Okay. Now check the reports. Display more reports. Select statement of inventory. Select sales order outstanding. Select stock group. Select television. Enter. So these are the outstanding sales order. Just now we entered, leave it. Suppose you are keeping any outstanding, it will show in this option, sales order pending option. You can select and open it and check it. Okay. So next move to delivery note. After receiving the purchase order, you are already issued sales order. Now you are going to deliver the products. Go to voucher, select delivery note. Other vouchers, select delivery note or press Alt F8. Okay, this is the delivery note. So party account name, select AR Electronics. Order number, this is their purchase order number. So this is your sales order number. Okay, purchase order is different, sales order is different. So this number is given by seller. So select the sales order number. Suppose you select sales order number, so whatever the stocks mentioned in this number, all those stock items auto-filled to the delivery note voucher. End of list. Accept. See here. So whatever we entered in sales order, so entire thing is auto-filled to the delivery note voucher by selecting sales order number. Okay. So now you just alter, you just assume. So instead of 100 numbers quantities, they are sending only 75 quantities. Okay. Friends, I forgetted one thing, sorry. You change the date. 30 days means 1st May. Change the date 1st May. Okay. Enter. Select sales order number. Enter. type here 75. Otherwise it will take default stock quantities, so what we mentioned in sales order. Okay, end of list, select sales order number 75, end of list, select sales order number 75, end of list, accept, set to no. Okay friends, now go to reports, check the report, profit and loss account, alt F1 for detail. See here, sales bills to make. We are already delivered the goods, 75 numbers each, but we are not raising the bill or invoice bill to the customer. So that's why it is showing sales bills to make. So 96,25,000. For this amount we need to raise the invoice. So then this amount will show in sales at 18%. So till now we didn't raise the invoice, that's why it is showing in sales bills to make 96,000, 25,000. Okay. Press display more reports, select statement of inventory, select sales order outstanding, stock group, television. See here, 25 numbers are outstanding, balances are there. Sales bill pending for 75 numbers each. So till now we didn't raise the invoice. Okay, so like this we can check the reports. Now we move to raise the invoice. Go to the sales voucher, sales voucher, press F8, AR Electronics, select sales order number, then it will autofill to the sales voucher. Okay, see here 75 autofill to the sales voucher. So just accept it by pressing enter button or press Ctrl A, whatever it. Give the invoice number. Okay, so now check the reports. Profit and loss account, press Alt F1 for detailed view. See here, sales bills to make nil. Sales at 18%, 95 lakh, 25,000. Okay, and check the display more reports. Select statement of inventory. Select sales order outstanding. Select stock group. Select stock group name television. So 25 number is still it is outstanding. And go to sales bill pending. So nothing. Just now we pass the sales voucher. That means we raised invoices. That's why it is showing nil. Okay friends, you got it. How to create the sales orders in Tally Prime. So in this way you have to create the sales order in Tally Prime Release 2.0. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Okay, thank you for watching my video.